Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome to my blog. It's early morning, around 4:30 a.m. We are starting from Bangalore. The distance to Nandi Hill is approximately 60 km and it takes about 1.5 to 2 hours by bike. Make sure to leave early to catch the mysterious sunrise. We reached the Nandi Hill entry gate by 6 am, just in time for the sunrise. The entry ticket is 20 rupees, and if you bring a bike, then the parking fees is 40 rupees of two-wheeler and the four-wheeler have 70 rupees. The parking area is spacious and located near the hilltop. Park your vehicle securely before processing the explore. When you reach and start the trekking, you are greeted by cool fresh air and cloud rolling over the hill.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
This is the sunrise point. You can see the cloud over the hill and sun also. After spending a few peaceful hours, now it's time to return to the Bangalore. So it's time to 11 am to avoid heavy traffic on the way to the Bangalore. If you enjoy the journey, let me know in a comment and don't forget to share your experience when you visit and like, subscribe and share. Until next time, happy traveling.